Hello, everyone.
Have you ever ordered food with friends and tried to quickly calculate the bill? Or maybe you added your pocket money for the week. Whenever we combine numbers using operations like plus, minus, multiply, or divide, we are actually creating something called an arithmetic expression. Today, we are going to explore how these expressions work and how they help us solve real-life problems. Look at these! 13 plus 2, 20 minus 4, 12 into 5, 18 divided by 3. These are called arithmetic expressions. An arithmetic expression is a mathematical phrase made using numbers and operations. For example, 13 plus 2 equals 15. Here, 13 plus 2 is the expression, and 15 is its value. Just like sentences in language, expressions help us describe mathematical situations.
Let's imagine a real-life situation. Malika spends 25 rupees every day on lunch at school. How much does she spend in 5 days? Instead of adding 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, we can write a shorter expression, 5 into 25. This expression quickly tells us the total money she spends. Expressions help us describe real-life problems in a compact way.
Did you know that many expressions can have the same value? For example, the number 12 can be written in different ways. 10 plus 2, 15 minus 3, 3 into 4, 24 divided by 2. Even though these expressions look different, they all equal 12. This shows that expressions are flexible tools in mathematics.
Just like numbers, we can also compare expressions. Look at this. 10 plus 2 and 7 plus 1. First, we find their values. 10 plus 2 equals 12, 7 plus 1 equals 8. Since 12 is greater than 8, we write 10 plus 2 is greater than 7 plus 1. Expressions can be compared using equal to, greater than, and less than.
Now look at this expression, 30 plus 5 into 4. Should we add first or multiply first? Two students tried it. One student added first, 30 plus 5 in brackets into 4 equals 140. Another multiplied first, 30 plus brackets 5 into 4 equals 50. But which one is correct? To remove confusion, mathematics uses the BODMAS rule. This rule tells us which operation to perform first. Example, 30 plus brackets 5 into 4. First, solve inside the bracket. 5 into 4 equals 20. Then add 30 plus 20 equals 50. Brackets help us read expressions clearly and correctly. Expressions are made of parts called terms. Look at this expression, 12 plus 7. Here, the terms are 12 and 7. In another example, 83 minus 14. We can rewrite it as 83 plus of minus 14. So the terms are 83 and minus 14. Terms are the parts of an expression separated by a plus sign after rewriting subtraction as addition of a negative number. Here is something interesting. If we add numbers, the order does not change the result. For example, 6 plus of minus 4 equals 2. If we swap the numbers, minus 4 plus 6 equals 2. The answer stays the same. This is called the commutative property of addition. It means we can change the order of terms without changing the result. Another interesting idea is the associative property of addition. This means that when we add numbers, the way we group them does not change the answer. For example, minus 7 plus 10 in brackets plus of minus 11 gives the same result as minus 7 plus brackets 10 plus of minus 11. Sometimes we remove brackets to simplify expressions. Look at this example, 100 minus brackets 15 plus 56. First solve inside brackets. 15 plus 56 equals 71. Then subtract. 100 minus 71 equals 29. But we can also write it as 100 minus 15 minus 56. When brackets have a minus sign before them, the signs inside change. Suppose two friends order the same food. Each person buys a vegetable cutlet costing 43 rupees and a rasgulla costing 24 rupees. The expression for one person is 43 plus 24. For two people, 2 into brackets 43 plus 24. We can also write this as 2 into 43 plus 2 into 24. This idea is called the distributive property. It helps us simplify calculations. Sometimes we can also reverse this idea. For example, 4 into 5 plus 3 into 5 can be written as 4 plus 3 in brackets into 5.
Arithmetic expressions appear everywhere: shopping bills, pocket money, distances, scores in games. Whenever we combine numbers to represent a situation, we are using expressions. Mathematics helps us describe the world in a simple and powerful way. Great job!